Here are some general guidelines for securement devices. All tie-downs, parts, and components, and vehicle structures must be in proper working order with no damaged or weakened components, such as cracks or cuts, that will adversely affect their performance for cargo securement purposes. Tie-downs in securing devices must not contain knots. A damaged tie-down will count as a violation during a roadside inspection. Check the working load limit of each tie-down device to determine how many you'll need to use based on the weight you're restraining from movement. Material used as dunnage or dunnage bags. Chocks, cradles, shoring bars are used for blocking and bracing must not have damage or defects which would compromise the effectiveness of the securement system. Each tie-down must be attached and secured in a manner that prevents it from becoming loose, unfastening, opening, or releasing while the vehicle is in transit. Edge protection must be used whenever a tie-down would be subject to abrasion or cutting at the point where it touches an article of cargo. The edge protection must resist abrasion, cutting, and crushing. Articles of cargo that are likely to roll must be restrained by chocks, wedges, or a cradle or equivalent means to prevent rolling. The means of preventing rolling must not be capable of becoming unintentionally unfastened or loose while the vehicle is in transit. It is the driver's responsibility to ensure that the cargo is adequately secured before beginning the trip. If the trailer is padlocked and the driver has a key, then an inspection must be completed. These inspection rules do not apply to a sealed vehicle if the driver has been ordered not to open it, or if the vehicle has been loaded in such a manner that inspection of the cargo is impractical. Once the trip is underway, the regulations require the cargo securement be inspected within the first 50 miles. Additional inspections are to be completed when the driver makes a change of duty status or when the truck has been driven for 3 hours or 150 miles, whichever occurs first. The regulations place responsibility for proper load securement on the driver. The shipper may load the truck and may even apply load securement. However, it is the driver's responsibility to inspect the load and make sure the cargo is properly secured before moving the vehicle.